How to download Call of Duty Warzone on your laptop or PC. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily download Call of Duty Warzone for free. First thing you have to do is open up your web browser and then go to the search bar. Here simply search for COD Warzone, hit enter. Now you can just scroll down and click on the first link that you see here. You can also use all of these options here, like Xbox, Windows, Battle.net, PlayStation, or Steam. Now you can go ahead and continue with Battle.net if you want. If not, you could just continue with Steam. So if you click on the Steam option, it's going to open the game in Steam here, and your store is going to open. So what you can instead do is install Steam on your device. Once you have installed it, open up Steam and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then at the search bar, you can just search for Warzone and you'll find the Call of Duty Warzone. And as you can see, it's completely free, so you can just click on it. Then you'll be prompted to enter your age. Now just go ahead and verify your age. Once that is done, just go ahead and click on View Page. Then you'll get to the game info page. Now all you have to do is play game or add to library. Now if you click on add to library, it has been added to your account, so it's going to be available on your library. All you have to do is find your library right here. Then you'll find Call of Duty Warzone right here. Just click on this. As you can see here, it has quite a lot of space requirement, which is around 170 gigabytes. Make sure you have enough storage. Now you can just click on this install button and it will just choose where you want to install it, and then click on OK and then install. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.